Hey everybody, Boom Reports is back with yet another video, and today we'll be discussing claims regarding child kidnappings, an issue on which Boom has seen some massive waves of fake news. Today's investigation is if 3 children were abducted from Ghaziabad's Indirapuram area as claimed in a viral message. The message has been viral on Facebook and it contains the text, "Please do take care of your kids." Today, 3 kids from Gaur Green City, Indirapuram, round circles have been kidnapped while going to school. Do not leave your kids alone. Please do take proper care. Users on Twitter have also inquired about this as they have asked some news outlets about the truth. But is this true? Boom contacted the Ghaziabad police, who said that there have been no such incidents. The circle officer of Indirapuram, Anshu Jain, also told us that there is nothing truthful about this message. And he also told us that while there was a public school nearby, no such incidents of child kidnappings have been reported. Ghaziabad police also cautioned against child kidnapping rumors through a tweet. This makes it clear that this message is absolutely fake. You can send us anything you want, anything suspicious on our helpline 7700906111. We'll be back with more such stories, so you stay tuned with Boom Reports.